Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So friends, today we are going to discuss about two-point perspective, how we gonna create a scene for storyboarding with the help of two-point perspective. So as you can see on the screen, I have created a view of buildings with the help of two-point perspective. So let's start guys. First of all, to draw anything in two-point perspective, you must have a complete idea like how we're gonna use it and what we require to create an scene in two-point perspective. So as we all know, in one-point perspective, we need one vanishing point, then horizontal line and vertical line. But in two-point perspective, instead of horizontal line, we wanna use two vanishing points. So imagine this is your one vanishing point here and this is your second vanishing point. So I just given the name of VP1 and VP2, and after that this is your base, and if you want to draw anything you always have a vertical line, but their sides like the depth will be decided by your vanishing point. Like you can imagine for this one, like this is your vanishing point, and if I draw a line from the vanishing point to 1 and meet it, so this line and made this line with the edges of our vertical line, so you will see the depth of your box is ready. You can erase the extra part as per your requirement. And same things you can do here as well. Draw this line and meet it with the edges of VP2. And from the vanishing point 1, I draw this line and meet this one by this way. So you can see here easily that the depth of our building is ready. As I already told you, in two-point perspective, we have one vanishing point and there is second vanishing point, but there is no horizontal line. Like you are not gonna make anything with a horizontal line. There is always a vertical line. So that with the help of using your vertical line and the two-point perspective, you can make anything in that. If you want to add more detail in this one, you have to follow the vanishing point and then horizontal line and again the vanishing point. And for the interior depth, I am going to use the vanishing point 2 and then mixing it with the vanishing point 1 and the vertical line. So you can see here the depth of our window is 32. Same things I'm gonna do it here as well, because we can't draw the horizontal line here it looks weird because the horizon line will be always decided by your vanishing point. So for the second window, if I draw in this direction, I will draw firstly the vertical line, and with the help of vanishing point to create a window with proper depth, and the inner depth will be decided by vanishing point window. As you can see in the screen here, guys, so depth of our window is ready, and finally by choosing all the vanishing point and the vertical line of window is ready. So this is the basic rule of creating anything or using the vanishing point by two-point perspective for storyboard. I'm going to tell you one more reference to make it more interesting. You can place your two-point perspective anywhere you want. If you place your vanishing point here and there, and after that you wanna create something. So let's see what we have. And if I delete the extra unwanted line, so friends, you can see very easily we have created the top view and now you can add depth in this one by following your vanishing. Same things you can do here as well. You must have proper visualization like what you are creating and which angle you are using. As you can see here, I have created the top view of the building with the help of two-point perspective. And after erasing the extra part, we can see the top view in our building. So I hope you understand my basic tricks, like how we gonna use two-point perspective in different way. Same things I have used to create this scene. I'm using all this angle with the help of two-point perspective. What I have done here, I'm gonna show a little bit reference so that you can understand. You can see here, guys, I have drawn a basic line like the base, and then the camera is lower so that I created the dynamic angle, and then I placed my vanishing point here and there, VP1, VP2, and with the help of this vanishing point I created this dynamic view of my building. You just need to follow the vanishing point. If you match all these lines with the help of your vanishing point, you will see should you move flaunting and then it's gonna match with your vanishing point. Yeah, as you can see here, but to learn all the tricks you have to practice a lot so that you will be able to create without any help of that chicken. And you can use it in a multiple way. I'm just telling you a little bit reference so that you can understand like how I draw in this scene. And you can create anything, whatever you want. Just follow the rules, the vanishing point, and always try to understand what you are trying to create. Now the face of my building is in this direction, so I created the window in same way, and this is the back window of my building. And here you can see for the storyboard we don't need to add more detail, we just need to go with the rough idea so that the animator and background artist able to understand what actually the location is and where is the moment of our character. Same things I have done with the sky. If you see, like it's moving it, perspective, so that one thing looks more interesting. And after that you can add some bushes if you want. And this is the line which moves our eyes toward the entrance of our building. Sometimes if you say like this is the vanishing point, the line will move like this. So you have to follow the vanishing point and perspective in a strict way, so that you can understand it properly. So finally, you can use any secondary elements in the form of perspective, explain whatever you want to show in the film. And finally, say like this is the final object. I'm going to delete the earlier one and see here. So I used to draw this kind of sketches from my storyboard, so you can also use these and create whatever you want. I hope you understand my video. If you have any query related to 2-point perspective, 1-point perspective, drawing, illustration, storyboard, so please ask in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe my channel guys, and I would suggest you try to practice as much as you can, where you can learn all the basic tricks of storyboard quickly. See you in the next video guys. Take care, have a good one.